Japanese panko breadcrumbs form a coating that becomes shatteringly crisp but still light and tender, not dense and tough. The pan sauce whips up quickly after frying, so the cutlets don't have to wait long.
Several months ago, while working on a fried chicken cutlet recipe, I stumbled on the single most important factor in elevating those cutlets from mere greatness to brain-melting splendor. I had some clarified butter kicking around in the fridge, and on a whim decided to fry my chicken in that instead of the more economical neutral, flavored cooking oil I normally use. The results were so amazing I couldn't believe I hadn't been frying in butter all along.
Butter adds flavor. In retrospect, it's not much of a shock that butter would taste so much better.
But it's sort of like the difference between knowing that it'd be awesome to get daily massages and actually getting a massage every single day. Understanding that something is great in theory isn't the same as making it a reality.
The fact is, cost and convenience are often the things that stand between the ultimate version of something and just a really good version of it. And so it is with frying chicken in ample amounts of clarified butter.
Luckily, there's a pretty freaking delicious workaround, and it's chicken piccata, dressed in fried chicken cutlets, bathed in a lemon butter pan sauce.